Cisdem PDF Converter OCR is a versatile tool for Mac that allows you to convert PDFs into various formats, including DOCX, Excel, Pages, and so on. In this tutorial, we will walk you through how to convert PDF to DOCX with this tool. Step 1. Load your PDF files. Run Cisdem PDF Converter OCR. Click on the Add Files button to upload the PDF you want to convert. You can either browse your computer to find the PDFs or directly drag and drop the PDFs into the program. If the PDF is password protected, you need to enter your password to unlock it first. Step 2. Select Output Format, DOCX. From the drop-down menu, select to DOCX as the file type. You can also select a specific page range to convert instead of the entire PDF, like page 1 and page 3 to 5. If your PDF is a scanned image, don't forget to enable OCR and choose a language for the document in the Advanced Setting window by clicking the gear button. Step 3. Start the conversion. Once everything looks good, select a save location and click the Convert button. The program will start converting your PDF into a DOCX file. Depending on the file size, this might take a moment. Once the conversion is complete, just click the big check icon. You'll find the output file in your designated folder. And that's it. You've successfully converted your PDF to DOCX on Mac using Cisdem PDF Converter OCR. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.